Dr. Zakir, next question. Question 6. If a person is fasting and travelling long distance in a plane and is midway to his destination, should he break his fast according to the time of origin or the time at destination, as there is a difference between the two of several hours?
This normally happens, and I do keep on traveling during Ramadan quite often in planes, and this is a common problem, and people not aware of the Sharia, of the ruling. Many of them say, oh, I will break the fast according to the time of origin, some say time of destination, and there's a big confusion between most of the travelers. But the right ruling is that, as Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 187, that fast until night appears. Another beloved Prophet said in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1954, that until the sun sets. So when a person is traveling in a plane, it is very easy. He should just slide the window up and see the sun. The moment the sun sets, he can break his fast. He should not bother what is the time of the origin, what is the time at the destination. He should see that where he is, from the position where he is, the moment if he sees the sun set, complete disk has vanished, he should break the fast. Similarly for suhoor, the moment he sees the vertical white streak of dawn, it is the false dawn. The true dawn is when he sees a reddish horizontal. When he sees that, it's the time for suhoor, he should stop eating. So while person is in a plane, it's very easy to decide. He doesn't have to ask anyone, just slide the window up. If it's not from his side, he can go to the other side and see the sun and decide whether the time is there for suhoor or for iftar.
No, you've made what sounds a very complicated